Right, for all of us newbies, and we need a place to start. First thing you do is go to openai.com. Now, don't stress, OpenAI is the business that developed the ChatGPT platform. ChatGPT is built on a model called GPT-3, and they're releasing a GPT-4 version. These are large language models, guys. These are the things that are going to change the world. So OpenAI have done a number of really interesting models. They've also done something called DALL-E. I can't stop going on about DALL-E. It makes the craziest of images. If you have a mobile app already installed, don't worry, Brett, I have this in hand. Careful. I don't know how legit that app will be because OpenAI has not built an app for this. You have to use the website. In order to sort it out on your phone, you're going to create a shortcut. You're going to drop it on your home screen. It's going to feel like you're opening an app, and it's going to go straight to OpenAI. So please be careful of these unsolicited apps that are out there, and there are hundreds of it. OpenAI has not built an app as of producing this course. So first step, let's try ChatGPT. You can see they're a little bit shy. It's right at the top here. Just got to click try. As you click try, it will go to a screen where you get to log in or get to sign up. Choose Facebook, Google, or log in with your email address, and ta-da, you end up on this screen. So that's how you start. I think the next important steps are, well, how do I use it?